Hey golfers, do you need help reading the greens? I've got a great method that's going to help you with that. It's called the clock method. So what we need to do first is visualize the hole like a clock, and if the putt's straight, the entry point is 6 o'clock. So what you're trying to determine is that entry point. So if you have a left or right breaking putt, maybe that entry point is 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. Find that entry point and then draw a line from that hole about 1 to 2 feet and try to find a spot that's in the line of the putt. You're gonna see in this putt that we have lined up here, the middle tee is 6 o'clock, this one's 9 o'clock, and then we're saying that this ball is gonna go in at 7 o'clock. I've got a line from this tee. This is gonna be my marker to aim at, and if I line that ball up at that marker, then it should roll in at 7 o'clock. That's going to help you read the greens. Follow us on Golf Tee Performance for more tips. Thanks.